What's the funniest example of gaslighting you know? I've been making my husband a peanut butter and jelly sandwich every morning for the last 8 years. I always use Welch's Grape Concord jelly, and every day he tells me I make the best sandwiches. I just smile and say, I made them with love. But here's the catch, whenever we have a fight, he'll take a bite, frown, and say now I know you're mad, because it just doesn't taste the same. And every time I say well yeah, I made it with hate. The truth? I swap the jelly. Whenever we fight, I use the sugar-free organic grape jam I keep hidden in the back of the fridge. He's never seen the jar, but he's so convinced my mood affects the sandwich that he's fully bought into it. The best part? Last week he told me, dead serious, I don't know how but your emotions change the molecular structure of the jelly. I just nodded and said, that's what happens when you marry a fiery woman. It's the dumbest, pettiest prank ever, but I get a laugh out of it every single time.